Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be this super easy tutorial of the purge. It's probably the easiest Halloween makeup you will ever do, so I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into this purge makeup tutorial. So you want to start this makeup with the base already done, and then I'm taking this white paint from Wilkinson's and I'm taking a flat angled brush. This is from P. Louise, and we're just going to draw a line all the way around the edge of our face. So I started from the forehead, down the cheekbones and around the chin, and this is going to be the edge of the purge mask. This part really doesn't have to be neat either. Do not worry if you go outside of the lines a little bit, because we're then going to cover this with some pink eyeshadow anyway. It's just to get a base down of the white paint so that the pink is more pigmented and it kind of has that little subtle line underneath the pink eyeshadow. You then want to draw a little line with the white paint across your nose, and then we're going to draw two crosses, one on each eye. Coming from the outer portion of your eye, you don't need to go onto your lid with this, and kind of like take it through your brow. Make sure it's quite pigmented over your brow, so just like press it in over the hairs, and then you want to do the same underneath your eye just to kind of make the diagonal lines to mimic a cross, and you want to do this on both of your eyes. Now I was just working from photos with this. You probably are going to be better at this if you've actually watched the purge, but I haven't, so I'm kind of like a fake fan doing this tutorial, but it's honestly so easy, so I'd highly recommend. Now to make the creepy mouth bit, we're just going to draw two lines coming from the outer corner of our mouth, and just take this towards your cheekbone, but don't bring it all the way to the edge of the mask. And then we're going to draw two crosses on either one of these lines, so kind of like a bigger one near your mouth and then a smaller one on the outer portion, and literally just draw two diagonal lines over the top of the line that we've just drawn. You then want to draw three lines coming from the top of your lip through your lips down the bottom lip, and just draw one right in the center and then one either side, so you're going to have three lines over your lips basically. And then we're going to pack this with pink eyeshadow. I'm using the NYX Ultimate palette in the shade, it's like the Brights palette, and I'm just taking the pink shade and I'm taking this on a fluffy brush. And first you kind of want to pack this into the white and then blend it out. So you want to pack it onto where we put the white paint and then blend this forwards and backwards just on the outside of where we put the white paint, just to blend this. It doesn't need to be neat again, you just want to cover the white paint with this. As you can see, this is already kind of creating like a neon effect, but this is going to really come to life when we go back over it with the white. But you just want to take this everywhere where we've already put the white paint, literally cover the white. I'm then going in with the white base from P. Louise and a liner brush from P. Louise again. You don't have to use this, but I just felt it was going to give me more pigment and control. But if you do only have a white face paint, it's absolutely fine to use that as well. And we're basically just drawing a line in the middle of where we've put the pink. Now this bit kind of does have to be quite neat. Obviously it doesn't matter if it's not, but you kind of want to hold your breath throughout doing this. And we're just drawing a line with the white all the way through the pink bits that we've now got on our face. So through the diagonal crosses, we're going to do it over the nose, we're going to do it in the mouth bits as well. Just literally anywhere that we have the pink, we're now going to draw a white line in the middle of it. Okay, now this is what the mask should look like, and you could totally leave it like this, but I decided to bring a little bit more drama to it. So I just applied some mascara and I just put some Maybelline gel liner in my waterline as well, just to make it a little bit more dramatic. I added some lashes. These are from P. Louise in the style Determined Diva. Again, you don't need to apply lashes, but oh my glam queen. Look away now if you don't like contact lenses. I'm just popping them in just to add, again, a little bit more drama, make it a little bit more scary. And as you can see here, I was really struggling to put these in. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, definitely don't, because it's not the easiest thing to do. Again, this step isn't necessary, but I just decided to add some fake blood to my neck. This is from Wilkinson's, and I'm just adding a couple drips on the neck just to make it look a little bit more scary. Again, I don't really know if Purge has this on them, but I just thought it'd make it look a little bit more scary. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I really hope you recreate this for Halloween. Let me know if you do, because it is so easy. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!